Good day. I'm presenting via a free download an Excel 365 spreadsheet that presents data about the progress, so to speak, of the coronavirus both worldwide and by individual countries. The source of the data that I'm using here is the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. And the source data look like this, and the data will refresh or rather upload daily when the ECD acquires its new data. When you open the spreadsheet, the download will occur automatically. You need not do anything, and when the new information arrives, you will find it in the spreadsheet. Now, the first sheet, entitled Worldwide Totals, presents in a rolling range worldwide data for the number of new coronavirus cases for the last 10 days. Of course, the days will change with each day. So you see how the data read here. It's pretty self-evident. Any day for which there are fewer cases than the previous day will be conditionally formatted in percentage terms red to indicate the decrease. You see here a very straightforward line chart, which also portrays the data for the last 10 days, whenever those last 10 days may be. The three cells here very simply count the number of countries that have experienced fewer corona cases from the previous day, those countries that have experienced more cases from the previous day, and those that have experienced no change. No user intercession required. It's all automatic. The next sheet is entitled Last 10 Days by Country, and this sheet likewise presents rolling data for the last 10 days, but here the data are broken out by country. And you see here how they read. It's pretty self-evident. Again, the conditionally formatted column here indicates those countries that have experienced fewer cases for the current day relative to the previous day. And in addition, you see a series of spark lines that chart each country's movement or degree of change in coronavirus cases over the past 10 days. And the third sheet here is entitled Selected Time Span and Country, and it enables the users to do two things. One, it lets you enter any 2 days, a start date and an end date, beginning with December 31st, 2019, which is the first day for which the ECD has presented the data. And all you do is type the dates here, and in addition, a very cool autocomplete text box, which I learned from Sumit Kansal, who is an Excel expert who has a YouTube video on the subject, which I've also linked here on the workbook. So, for example, if I want to view the data for France, I can start typing FRA, and there's France data for the past 8 days. Notice the associated spark line. Now I can change the dates. How about March 1st? You see there. All the individual case data from those days are presented here. Again, the red indicators point to a day in which there are fewer cases than the previous day. 39 days all told in this particular span. And there's the total, and there's France. If I want, for example, to look at the United Kingdom, note there are numerous countries that begin with the term United. So if I continue typing via this autocomplete, when I get to K, there's the United Kingdom, and you see the associated data and the spark line. Now these dates, yes, will accommodate themselves to European date notation. So if you're in that part of the world, you'll be able to enter dates according to your way of manner of entry. Now, if you're interested in acquiring this spreadsheet, which is free, all you have to do is email me here at this address, abbott@abbottcats.com, and I'll be happy to send it to you. Remember, however, that you must have Excel 365 in order to utilize this spreadsheet. Thank you very much. Have a very good day, and I hope you find this interesting and informative.